Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing today? It's Electro Jet here, your ghetto 3D printer here.
He's the man in the bandana, the man with the charm. He's a dude with the glasses and a lady on his arm.
I got a friend of mine that I met here on YouTube. It's 3D Printing SOS, and I'll link his channel down below. He's helped me out a lot with this printer. I have the VoxLab Aquila, and this is the second one I had. The first one I did the review on. If you want to go back and look at my videos, I did a review, and I was not happy because there were flaws with the machine. This machine, on the other hand, this one has been a workhorse, and it's been it's been taking my abuse, to say the least. I'm learning a lot. I've made a bunch of stuff. I've made some money with it already. So, and I've been only printing in PLA, so now I'm going to go ahead and test out. I bought this a few weeks ago, Petg filament, and this is going to be the first time that I use anything other than PLA on my machine. As you can see, I got it in like a clear red. Yeah, this is transparent red. It says print temperature between 210 and 240 C. Yeah. So this is 1 kilo. I am worried though. Maybe one of you guys can tell me, should I invest in containers or to keep these things dry? I'm not sure how that works. We're gonna try this one. I'm gonna let you know how it works out. I'm gonna print a triangle box, lithophane lamp box. It's gonna be a triangle one. You'll see it print, and I'll let you know how it goes. Now let's get to it. So what I plan on doing first here is I'm going to do the temperature fan test. So that's what I'm going to do first, so I can have all the proper settings for the PETG. So I got it sliced, and it's printing now. So right now it's printing out the test tower. So we're going to see how that does. Yeah, this is the test bridge I was doing, and if you can see, try to get in there close. That first bridging was, you could tell that the temperature was way too hot. So now it went down 10 degrees, and let's see how this next bridge looks. Yeah, it's starting to fail. So I'm gonna go ahead and abort this print and see what settings I could change. Wow, you can see. Actually, this kind of reminds me of when I got the first Aquila. I might have to switch the nozzle head too. I'll check that out in a second. Okay, so I changed a couple of settings, and let's see how this works out. Well, gotta learn. I tell you what, that first bridge looks bad. It definitely 260, way too hot. Yeah, that first bridge, whoo, man, it looks like it was way too hot. Well, as you can see, the tower's moving on up. And, yeah, it looks like I might have to do a retraction ladder, too, just to have my settings right for the retraction. So, I'll be recording that as well. Okay, so the test is complete here, and each one of these steps is 5 degrees, and it starts at 260 at the bottom, working the way up. Now, if you can see, look how bad that is. That 260 was definitely too hot. Everything was melting. So was 255, 250, and so on and so forth. Now the only good one here so far is the top one, which was 230, I believe. Yeah, top one is 230. And even that one seems like it's a little too hot. So what I'm going to do is download another temperature ladder test, and then I'm going to do that one. Well, this turned out to be a longer test than I expected. And now we got the second ladder uh, trying to print. This first one is, yeah, I don't like any of these temperatures. So instead of going through another test, I put some settings up. I got the nozzle at 235 degrees Celsius. I have the bed at 80. And I'm going to go ahead and just try a print and cross your fingers. Let's see how it comes out. I don't want to go through all these tests. I'll do the tests tomorrow. I just want to be able to put out a video today to show you what's going on. And this is my first print in Petg. So I'm going to go ahead. Right now I'm doing a time lapse. It's recording a time lapse, but check it out. Okay, got it to fit. A little iffy. I thought I cracked it, so the lithopanes fit in there. Now let's check one more thing out to see if the lights fit in there. Lights on. Let's put the top on. Again, I might be having so much problems. Try this side. Because again, I'm new to this Petg, giving me a perfect fit. Yeah, I might have to clean out. Okay, there it goes. There's the lithopane lamp. I don't know. Can you see that? See? Yeah, there it goes. All right. Then what I would do is I would glue it together and send this off. And this is what I charge $30 to $40, depending on if they want it to rotate or not. They want it to rotate. Well, tell me what you think. Um, my first time trying it, it was troublesome. I'm not gonna lie. For my first time messing around Petg, and especially with that low quality Petg, um, I'm not gonna lie. Um, you get what you pay for, and I paid for garbage, and I got garbage in return. I'm always gonna be honest with you. Don't buy this. This is garbage. It kinks up over here, and then the extruder will not pull down. So I don't have any. I've had problems like that with my black PLA, one of the spools, and again it was one of the cheaper ones. I was trying to save money, and what you get what you pay for. So you know what? Spend a couple extra dollars, get the good stuff, and I do believe that you'll be a whole lot happier. But I mean, this still passes. It's still up to snuff, but I think the other one, this one, came out a lot cleaner, in my opinion. I just, this I had to paint this one, so. But this is what these little things are gonna go in. Anyway, let me know what you think. Don't get that PLA. This was a little troublesome for my first time. I'm pretty sure that it will get easier. And once I get better Petg, And that's it. See you guys later. This was a long one. I didn't mean to do that to you.